Let us do a quick exercise of feeling energy. If you are not sure what energy feels like, or you don't know what it feels like, so we go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is ask for blessing quickly first to get us a quick jolt of connection energy. Dear Lord, archangels, holy angels, masters, gurus, saints, spiritual elders, spiritual helpers, guardian angels, and our higher selves, we ask for your divine blessing. We ask for your divine love, light, help, healing, protection, and connection. We thank you for coming to us so quickly, even before our thoughts finish. Please help us in this practice of feeling energy so that all may benefit. In full faith, so be it. And so it is. Notice how you feel now. Tap your heart chakra, heart space. Tap your head, crown chakra, crown space. The energy comes down here. Also, you may feel a heart expansion here. Now, press the center of your palms for the palm chakras. Rub your hands. Shake, shake, shake. How do they feel? Different, right? You could say it's blood flow. You could use any words you want to describe this. So what does it feel like to you? Does it feel like blood flow, energy flow, tingling, prickling, just some sort of difference, some sort of different sensation? Okay, breathe. Hold. And breathe out. Be aware of your crown, the top of your head. How does that feel? Notice your hands. How do they feel? Pulsating? Sometimes even magnetic. Now we have angels and masters helping us here. Archangel Michael says he's helping us with this exercise. So go ahead. And the way I know is that I see a white haze, so they're really in my energy field, that everything is a white haze. So go ahead and put your hands out. You're going to slowly bring your hands in until you feel a different sensation. So right now, I even feel a magnetic push in the center of my palms, the right one more. It's, for some reason, my stronger hand with energy. So go ahead and bring your hands together slowly until you feel a something. Now, I didn't really have to go much. I felt a different change, a change in energy as I moved it just 1 inch closer. And I could be feeling my heart chakra, or I could be feeling, I think that's what it is. So if you put your hands out a little bit further, go ahead and bring them closer together. And you may feel pressure, like it's like magnets pushing each other away, you know, those magnetic trains, Thomas the Train, or any magnet. It's just the opposite ends kind of pushing against each other. That's what I feel now. Let's go ahead and continue. You might feel like something's pushing back, and that may be the aura of around your hands. So this hand has its own energy field, this hand has its own energy field, and when they come together, they push against each other. You may feel it going slightly closer. So keep going, keep going. Oh, it feels really, really dense. Feels really dense until there's a magnet that just kind of wants to pull my hands together. Okay, great. Let's try that one more time. Start really far and slowly. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold out here. My hands are far, so they're cold. Now I'm going to, okay, I feel I'm very far away. So I feel my heart chakra It's huge. Oh, it's big. It's very open. I'm very open and in love mode right now. There's more pressure as my hands come closer. I'm getting pressure in my head. I feel my crown getting energy. I feel pressure in my hands, like it wants to push away. Keep going, keep going. Until this point, and it just wants to come in and like magnetically pull together. Cool. All right, let us do 2 more things. So put out your finger. Now stare at the top part of your finger. And send energy there. And how you send energy is with your breath. So you inhale, and then when you exhale, you push it out, and it will go. The energy will go through your arm to your hand to your finger. So you push the energy with your breath. So but you're pushing it internally. It's kind of like you're going to the bathroom, you push, you got that pressure of the inside. That's the pressure you want to use to push the energy. And imagine, visualize the energy flowing down. You could visualize it as a golden ball of light, anything you want. You could just imagine pink light or just flowing, rippling. So let's do that again. Breathe in and push the energy, will the energy to go from your breath through your arm to your finger. In my case, I feel energy going like to the arm and also to this hand. Probably because this is so sensitive, but I do feel it here. Now, send it to your pinky finger. Breathe in and push it out internally. Yeah. Let's do one more time for you. Breathe in and push it out through the arm to the tip of the finger. Now let's push the energy through the palm. So go ahead, breathe in. And what you're breathing in is the energy that's coming down in your crown. So you're not really using much of your own energy. You're using the infinite energy. There's no end to it. It never depletes. It is enough for everybody. So it just comes down to your crown. You're just breathing it in internally and sending it. And you could even send it outwards, and that is how you are a channel for healing. That is why everyone can heal, because there's infinite energy, and you are the pipeline. You are just the tool that, and you're using the energy to send out energy to others. You're the facilitator, the helper, the teacher, the conduit. So go ahead, breathe in. Push the energy down through your arm and through your palm. I'm gonna send it to you, and you send your energy to me. So let's try it. See if you feel anything. I'm gonna send it to your aura, and your aura can absorb it to wherever it wants. So notice it took me a really long time to push the energy out. I didn't just breathe out. No, I used it to push the energy out, and it took me a few seconds. Okay, one last time, and then we'll move on to the last practice. as I'm doing this, my soul, my vision kept on getting higher and higher and higher and higher. So I felt like I was levitating a little bit. That was cool. Second time that happened. Third practice. This one I really like. So you're going to put out your hands. In one hand, you're going to say a positive word. In my case, I'm going to use love. In the other hand, you're going to use a negative word. In my case, I'm going to use hate. You're going to have your two hands side by side. And once you speak the words, you will feel energetically the difference. You will feel how your thought creates energy and how your words create energy. And you will see that this is real. Like, it's real. The only way to know is to experience it. You can't take anyone's word for it. Don't take my word for it. Practice it. And if it doesn't happen, if you want to experience this, keep practicing and it will come. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put love in this hand and I'm going to put hate in this hand. Okay, I already don't like the word hate. Okay. Actually, I'm going to do hate first. Okay, hate 5 times. Hate, 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 hate. Lost count, wasn't counting. How does that feel to you? Heavy? Yeah, it feels really, really, really heavy. Negative thoughts and negative words are really, 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 really heavy. It's like breaking my arm. Okay, we're gonna do love. Love, 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 love. It just wants to float up. It just wants to lift me up. Love lifts us up where we belong. It's still going. Okay. You have to experience it for yourself, okay? Disintegrate. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you felt something. Keep practicing if you want to experience more of the energetic spiritual world. It's really fun, really awesome, and have a great day. You are loved and blessed eternally. All is well in truth. Namaste.